Environment Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ontario at 3:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Tuesday, July 13th, 2021. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Newmarket, Georgina, Northern York Region. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for Innisfil, New Tecumseh, Angus. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for Uxbridge, Beaverton, Northern Durham Region, and Orillia, Lagoon City, Washego.